Start with 3 tens, jacks, queens, kings, and aces. Now, as you can check, virtually any 5-card hand is possible except for 4 of a kind. Deal the cards into 3 piles with random stacking decided by the spectator. You can actually Charlier shuffle the cards or just cut them. Believe it or not, you can actually perform as many LR shuffles with random stacking decided by the spectator. Do as many of those as you like. Cut the cards or Charlier shuffle again. And beyond that, we can actually also perform as many even or odd up jogs as we like, or the spectator likes. Simply deal out 3 5-card hands and see how we did. Did everyone get at least a straight? And if you're really lucky, you may have gotten a royal flush.